Hey guys, Shakrov here. So we are Wednesday, June 27th today, and this is the release date of Rookie Anthology from Panini. So here is the product with a little glare. So yeah, Rookie Anthology, five packs, well, 5 cards per pack, 10 packs a box. What can you get in this? Basically, you get one Rookie Treasures dual, which is a dual jersey and autograph out of every box, as well as I think one extra autograph and a few memorabilia cards. Amongst case hits, you can have some of those short prints. Oh, there's a bonus pack. I don't know what's in there. Was not aware of bonus pack thingy. Let's start by this. So here's the bonus pack, Rookie Anthology. And in it, we find from Luxury Suite, beautiful. So yeah, Luxury Suite stick and jersey of Brandon Dubinsky, and it's not numbered. There you go. So let's see how this works. So you have the base cards that look a little bit like this. The glare is unbelievable. So we got a bunch of base, and we got a dual jersey, Rookie Anthology draft heater, not numbered, of James Reimer and Semyon Varlamov. Base here. Alright, here we have a rookie, it's a Crown Royal rookie, not autograph, Kate Fairchild. So we get a bunch of rookies, obviously, that's Rookie Anthology. And it's pretty much for those players who didn't have a rookie at the beginning of the year. Here we have a rookie of Jan Sauvé from Pinnacle, Icebreakers. So you can get pretty bad rookies, you can get pretty awesome ones. Here we have a rookie, Rookie Treasures, numbered out of 499, 285 of 499, dual jersey and autograph of Matt Fratton. Not too shabby. Very thick cards too, those Rookie Anthology. Here we have another rookie non-auto of TJ Brennan, Pinnacle. We got a rookie rivalry, dual jersey. Those are not numbered, of Simon Desprez and Eric Gustafson. And yes, I did not say Simon Desprez. I said Simon Desprez and Eric Gustafson. So that's so far hit per pack product. You have a Pinnacle rookie of Ryan Russell. Just looking, I don't know if there are parallels in the base cards. I don't think so, but maybe so. Checking just in case. We have another rookie from Pinnacle of Gustav Nyquist. Not a bad rookie to get. We have a Calder Contenders numbered out of 999 of Andrew Shaw. It's a little bit weird since Contenders really literally just came out. That didn't put it then. And we finish our box number 1 with private signings. Wrong team, but it's okay. Jack Johnson. Jack motherfucking Johnson. Not too shabby. Nothing unbelievable, but a nice hit with the Fratton. Put that aside. Clean that up later. Let's check for box number 2. It's warm in here. I'll start the fan. Alright, guys, tell me if you prefer that camera or the one whether I put it there. Tried something different since some people wanted me to change how it was, so here it is. So here we have another luxury suite stick and jersey. Very nice piece of stick, Chris Pronger. You can see the piece of stick right there, very nice. Rookie Rivalry, dual jersey of Brandon Saad and David Savar. Another rookie rivalry. Not bad, not bad. Sean Couturier and Cam Talbot. Cooter and Cam Talbot. There you go. I like to see one big hit. I'm also in a keys break tonight with the folks at klutzenshara.com. There are going to be a bunch of case breaks. They can also sell you boxes if you want, packs if you want. They're going to open live on blog, so blogtv.com/people/klutzenshara or klutzenshara.com. Starting tonight, starting now, actually, they're already live. So here I got from Chrono Royal, Tomas Kondratek. That I almost threw on the ground. And he threw it on the ground. Got a Pinnacle rookie. The base just... Anyway, Andrew Shaw. Nice. Eric Cole is a Habs. That's pretty cool. That was a base card. Not that cool. Here we have another Pinnacle rookie, Braden McNabb. The autograph version exists in the product. It's case hit. Another Pinnacle rookie, Robert Bertuzzo. Four packs left. Still nothing good per se. Got Calder Contenders out of 9.99 with Mark Borowiecki. I don't know. That looks fairly thick. Okay. We have our national, rookie treasures jersey auto numbered out of 4.99. Eddie Lack. Nice. I think those fall something like 2 per case or something like that. Limited Phenoms. That's the gold one. Well, I don't think that's a parallel. It's not saying parallel or like spotlight or anything. Anyway, it's numbered 41 of 50. Brendan Smith. Pretty sweet. Not a bad hit at all. And finally, the last pack. We finish with Pinnacle rookie, Zach Cashin. With the Vancouver Canucks. Well done. Alright, so that's it for today. I got my boxes. It was okay. I mean, you can still hit some huge cards out of this. Not necessarily will, but it's possible. I will be in a case break, as I was saying, on Klutzenshara tonight. So get there, CLOUTSNCHARA.com, and join group breaks, join the forums, just talk cards, and that's it. See you later, guys. Bye!